VIAIM OpenNote AI Recorder Review, Real-Time Transcription and Translation Magic. Ever feel buried under endless lectures, meetings, or interviews, struggling to capture every important detail? Notes get messy, focus slips, and time drains away as you scramble to record and remember it all. Old recording tools feel clunky and unreliable, leaving you frustrated, overwhelmed, and questioning how anyone manages without a smarter, faster, more intuitive solution. Stress spikes when deadlines loom and critical information slips through the cracks. Missed insights, forgotten tasks, or misheard client requests create creeping burnout. Each misstep magnifies anxiety, while juggling multiple conversations, calls, and projects feels impossible. The fear of losing vital details lingers, making productivity a constant uphill battle and leaving you desperate for a reliable, intelligent recording assistant. Enter the VIAIM OpenNote AI Recorder, your personal, AI-powered note-taking ally. With Flash Record, capture in-person discussions, phone calls, or Zoom meetings instantly, while real-time transcription converts every word into searchable text. Its open-ear earbuds deliver all-day comfort, even with glasses, while translating conversations across 17 languages for seamless collaboration. Privacy remains paramount. AES 256 and TLS encryption ensures recordings are yours alone, while AI-generated summaries and to-do lists organize follow-ups effortlessly. One investigative reporter shares how a hectic press day turned smooth when OpenNote transcribed multiple interviews on the fly, saving hours of manual typing and avoiding critical errors. Lightweight, sleek, and boasting 53-hour battery life, this recorder is ideal for students, professionals, and multilingual teams. High-quality audio, intuitive controls, and smart cloud sync make it the ultimate productivity companion. Why are professionals, students, and content creators raving about VIAIM OpenNote? Tech Gadget Review praises its unmatched transcription accuracy, even in noisy environments. Productivity analysts highlight how it outperforms software-only solutions, turning tedious note-taking into effortless efficiency. Users report instant summaries, smooth multi-language translation, and seamless integration across devices. A business consultant remarks, "Keyword tagging lets me jump straight to critical discussion points. Game changer for client meetings." Students love focusing on lectures while AI captures every detail, boosting retention and study efficiency. Open-ear design and comfortable fit ensure fatigue-free use for hours, while 360 degrees microphones and studio-grade sound provide crystal-clear recordings. Battery life keeps pace with marathon workdays, and compact charging case ensures portability. Curious why everyone's switching from traditional recorders? With Flash Record, AI-driven summaries, translation across 17 languages, privacy-first encryption, and cloud syncing, the OpenNote isn't just a tool. It's a total workflow transformation, combining convenience, security, and next-level productivity into one sleek, intelligent device. Don't wait. Upgrade your note-taking and communication with VIAIM OpenNote AI Recorder now. Join thousands of students, professionals, and creators who've transformed chaotic meetings into organized, actionable insights. Capture every word, translate instantly, and generate AI summaries without lifting a finger. With long battery life, studio-quality sound, and secure cloud backup, this device is built for productivity on the go. Act now, secure your OpenNote, and experience smarter, stress-free recording today.